Hello everyone, thank you for still watching the syllabus, and today I will share with you how to make some mobile phone stand, and you can see the object on your screen. And we make it this. Okay guys, before we start, you have to change the reference, the units, and I use a centimeter on this object. You can change the units on this reference. Okay, let's do it. Create a sketch, and I choose this one for face, the plane, and I create a line, uh, 10 centimeters, and then I go down about 0.5, and I correct it, and then I create a line from here to here about 1, and I make it from here up about 0.5, and the other side 0.5 2, and then I make it arc from here to this point, and I make it a semicircle. Okay, and I finish it, and then I extrude this face first. I will use two sides direction. Go to the left about 2.5, and the right about 2.5, and enter. And then I turn on the sketch, and I extrude this one from here, and I use the side also 1.5, and the other side is -1, and I make it then the sides about 1 centimeter, and okay. Okay, then I turn off the sketch, and then I wanna go to make a sketch on his face. Press L on the keyboard, and I make a semicircle. With this face, and press L on the keyboard, and I make a circle from the center about 0.8. The sketch, and extrude until I cut it, and enter. And then let's go over, make a circle here. About 0.5, sorry, 0.8. And go to extrude, and I want to make a new hoodie, and I want to go to two sides. Okay, minus 3.10, and the other one is negative, and minus 0.10, and enter. I make it a new value. Okay, and I wanna go to the with the offset plane, and I use salary plane on this face, and I hit OK, and I click this plane and I press L on my keyboard, and that automatically create a sketch on this plane. And I wanna make a center rectangle. I'll make it a rectangle about 1.5 and the other 0.5. Sketch. And then I extrude this face, the sketch to the up about 4 and OK. And then I wanna start join this face to this face. And then I click the bottom side and press E on the keyboard and connect it join about 0.2 and OK. And then I want to make it another rectangle on this face. I click this face and I press L on my keyboard. And I make it with a center rectangle. And from the center, I make about 1.1 and 0.4. And to set, and I go to extrude this face to the up about 2 centimeters. Okay. And then guys, I want to make it another sketch. Here, and I press it on my keyboard. And I make it a rectangle center about 3 and 1 centimeter. I finish it, and then I want to make it change the direction. I want to use a move, and I want to move the sketch. I click it all of them, and then I change the direction. Okay, I think that's enough, and I click OK. And I go to the extrude this face. Okay, like this. I use the two sides about negative 0.5 and negative 0.5. I think that's enough. And I click OK. Okay. And then next guys, I have to fillet this edge and this edge, and I use modify to fillet. Hit this one. I make about 0.5 and enter, and I fillet again this edge about 0.5 and enter. Okay. And then guys, I have to make a stitch again in this space. And I press on L on my keyboard. And I want to make a rectangle from the center. From here. And I want to make it 4 and 7. Enter. Then I want to make it a line again. From here to 1.5 and line to the right about 1 centimeter and 2 down. Okay. And I'll make it line from here about 1 at the other side and connect it to the okay. Next few steps. And then I have to extrude. Okay, I think that's enough about 0.5 and I click OK. Nice. And then I will go to the fillet. Fillet this edge, this, sorry, this edge, and this edge. I will go about 0.2 and OK. And then I will go to the offset this face and press L. And I will go to the offset. I select this edge. I will go to the negative 0.3. Okay, and I will go to fillet also on this stage. 0.2 and enter. 0.2. 0.2 and then 0.2 and 0.2 and the last one is 0.2. Two steps and I wanna go to extrude this face just a little. I wanna go to 1, 0, 0, 2 and enter. Okay, we're almost done guys. Okay guys, the last one I wanna create the shapes on his face. Press L on keyboard. I wanna make a circle about 0.8 and then I wanna make it a line from here. The increase is 165 and the line is 2. Okay. And I want to make it the other one from here. And the increase is 165 2. And the line is 2. And then guys, I want to make it line again from this, from here. And the decrease is 135 and the line is 1 centimeter and I click enter and I connected the line from here to here. I press OK and I have to fillet this and this and I wanna do it like this, about 0.05 and enter. I finish it. And I go to extrude this face to the left, to the right, sorry, for 0.5. And I go to the extrude again, this face, and I press E on keyboard. And I do it like this, going and two sides. Okay. This. Okay. And I wanna make a sketch, a circle face. I turn on the bodies and off. Get a circle from here about 0.7. Okay, I turn on the bodies. I extrude this face. And I connect it to the left, right? And I join it. And I hit OK. Okay guys, we have done this object guys. Look at this, the mobile phone stand. Okay guys, we have done this object guys, and I already paint this object, and then on the next video I wanna make it the motion, and I wanna give a movement for his arm so he can move like that. And then see you guys on the next video. I hope you enjoy this video, and I see you on the next video. Bye.